It's recording? Alright. Basically, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go on.
Dang it, it's like everybody's here to watch us.
And it's gonna be all like, honk if you're gay. It'll be funny. And I'm gonna do a little.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Oh shit.
Well, there's the road. But it's Sunday. A lot of people don't come out on Sunday.
I don't care. Oh god.
Oh my god, there's a cop car right. There's a car right there.
Yo, record that way.
This is our neighborhood. You can see the cop car right there. Oh my god. Look at it. Look at that nigga over there. Look at all these cars. Everybody, show him the sign. Show him the sign. Honk if gay.
Expect cursing out teenagers. Pissed off teenagers.
Yeah. Expect now people yelling at us and calling us stupid. Oh shit. Here comes the car. Here comes the car. Oh my god, my marker. Pure evidence. Go, Eric. Go. People are getting angry already. We're never gonna get a honk here.
No, we're never gonna get a honk.
Oh shit.
This little girl was laughing. This little girl was laughing.
Little boy was looking hard. Oh, here comes a bunch of cars.
Oh shit.
We're gonna yell at. They're looking hard. Oh god. No. Domino's delivery guy.
No one gay. Like the gay out.
Oh my god, gay people these days.
Oh, there's no gay people.
You know,
Why do you all eliminate?
gay people don't come out on Sunday. It's illegal. Alright, well we tried. We'll probably come back with another sign. Well,
Hang on, let me just keep going.
alright, fine. He's gonna keep going.
Let's just talk jibber jabber.
Honk if you're gay, honk if you're gay, honk if you're gay, honk if you're gay. Man, there's no cars out today.
Oh, well, I'm gonna be like those guys from UFC.
He's gay. Eric, there's no cars. Let's just make another. Let's do another sign. You can't jerk. Come on. Let's just make another sign. All right. Well, see you later. Wait. Here comes the car. In red. Oh, shit.
Okay,
This is the last. If this car doesn't do it, we're gone. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!